67 Fury 3. We're gonna go for a ride. Got a 440 in it. Let's check out the other side. Pretty straight car, Nick. Puppy. Freezing cold start. 75 degrees cold start. Yeah.
Like that.
It's got one of them potato cams in it.
Huh?
It's got a potato cam.
Yeah.
It says potato.
Yeah.
I guess we'll go for a ride. So it's cold, right?
Yeah.
We'll put her in neutral and let the transmission won't pump unless it's in neutral.
Okay. Okay.
That's just the way I was taught to do it. Let it
spin up.
Mm-hmm. There we go. Humming right along. Don't miss the curve.
Oh yeah. We'll run all the way up here to Naylor and turn around. Seem like on a big bump it wants to jump like it shouldn't jump.
So it kind of dive one way or another?
Yeah, but it's got the new shocks on front, got air shocks on the rear. I need to get some more air in the back, I know that. But it doesn't jump all over the place and road crazy either, like a lot of them.
Right.
That 67 Biscayne, we never could get it. That's why we got rid of it. I'm glad we jerked the motor out of it and put it in the G-bucket.
There we go.
See, once you get it up there, it rides good.
Yeah, I think we're going faster than 50.
That's 4 miles an hour off.
Okay.
It's 4 mile an hour slow.
Okay.
We checked that yesterday too. Mama got it on WAS.
Yep.
And checked that. I can live 4 mile an hour.
Yeah, it ain't bad.
But I'm running pretty good sized tires on that.
Yep. Man, that sucker just floats.
I got to get a bunch of the bushings and stuff up properly.
Yep. That could be part of your jerking whenever you hit that bump or something.
I know the sway bar bushing was shot, the strut rod bushing was shot. The upper A-frame part up there, they're not shot, but they could be replaced.
Yeah. So here is is it a Fury or Grand Fury?
It's a Fury 3.
Fury 3, okay. Here's what we did. First thing we checked the timing because it was, something wasn't quite right. Down on our balancer, it doesn't have any marks. So, and we're using this old timing light of Nick's dad's. So I'm used to the one with the dial on it. So instead of us using the dial, we put some marks on here. You see the timing pointer that says 0 and 10 before. We measured that distance, it was about 3/4 of an inch. So we got us an 1.5 inches of tape, and we put us an 1.5 inches of tape on the opposite side and made a mark. Let me show you the black magic marker mark. Whenever this is spinning, that black magic marker mark is on the 0. So that gives us 20 degrees before top dead center. As we revved it, it'd go up to about 32. But when he got this car and when we started today, it was on about 48 degrees of timing total. I unplugged the vacuum advance because it's not doing anything. So we plugged it off. I unplugged it there on the distributor. And now he's got 32 degrees of total. And it runs a lot better because it's not pinging the crap out of it. He's running 87 octane, and this is a high compression 67 model 440. So, sweet car, and we helped it out some. So, there's nothing behind us. Okay. Well, just from a easy takeoff here. Got a little shimmy. I think she pulls okay.